Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Please always refer to your use and care guide and installation manual before beginning any repair, as they are the primary sources of information regarding your appliance. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Before you replace the dryer drive belt, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the screws securing the lower access panel. Detach the panel. Next, unthread the screws securing the bottom of the front panel. Pull the panel out from the bottom to detach. Note the orientation of the door switch wires, then disconnect them and set the panel aside. Unthread the main top mounting screws. Lift the main top up and support it. Disconnect the light assembly wires and remove them from the retainer. Unthread the front bulkhead mounting screws. Lift the bulkhead up to detach it from the cabinet. Now reach under the drum and unhook the belt from the pulley and the motor shaft, if still intact. Slide the old belt off of the drum. Install the new drive belt by positioning it on the drum with the groove side facing inward. Loop the belt on the pulley and motor shaft in a zigzag formation. Now rotate the drum to help align the belt. Replace the front bulkhead by aligning the drum. Then insert the tabs into the slots in the cabinet. Rethread the mounting screws. Feed the light assembly wires through the retainer and reconnect them. Remove the support and lower the main top. Secure it with the screws. Replace the front panel by first reconnecting the door switch wires to the appropriate terminals. Now hook the retaining clips under the main top. Fully reposition the panel and rethread the screws at the bottom. Realign the lower access panel and secure it with the screws. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in, and your dryer should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.